only 50 pesos per square meter. Only 50 pesos per square meter. Wow, very nice. Yeah, very nice price, very cheap because it's a good, no? Yeah. So here, and then the boundary of this lot is a creek. No creek, right there, down right there. It's a creek. And this side is, wow, nice, yeah. Wow. It's another side, yeah, it's included there. There's included there. And right there also, yeah. And right there, right here is CD C over there, yeah. Wow. So the boundary head there, the quick down there. Place is included there. Wow. It's included many trees, yeah, many coconut tree. Down there. Wow. It's very nice, yeah, very nice. Very looking, yeah. See, this is the sea, yeah. From here, from this lot going to the sea is only, I think, 3 kilometers. I think 3 kilometers from here going to the sea, and then from the town of, yeah, the town is from here going to the town of this place is 4 kilometers, yeah, 4 kilometers, and then from the town of Talibon is I think 14 kilometers from here going to Itabi, going to Talibon, yeah. Okay, this is over looking right there, no? So the boundary of this lot is the creek, no? Creek, round, almost round, yeah, almost round. This side is over view. Wow. Ini tiba ka diri kay gilid yo. Sapa ni siya, sapa dia. Kadung ari. Libot untuk bertubos. Ini siya nindot kay belayan. Kita dagat mo dire. Kita dagat dire. Oh. From here, now is the sea. It's the sea. Yung makita. So, dyan sa puno ng kahoy at sa mga dahon. Ando. Balag niya po. Niinluan ng mga kahoy. Kita dagat. Nasalip na ng mga kahoy buya. Kena kahoy ya, apil lang yun. Wala kahoy ya. Kani sa parli kutob ni. Ito. Kana mga kahoy apil na ada. Ini po yan, rawa. Bisa kebalay din, he. Yan, dupikas apil mo dito. Yan, 50 pesos sa per square meter. Wow. Oh, ito na. Coconut tree. Is there, no? So, boundary right there. Ano ba? Ano siya apil diha. So pwede na yung balay usa diha. Diyan na yung balay usa. Dili po na yung usa. Hala. Hindi. Mahimo lagi. Kuhan lagi. Okay, wasa. Yung compound. Wow. Okay, so again, the price of this lot uh, 2 hectares, and then the price of this is 50 pesos per square meters only, and mini coconut trays, mini trays, also it's included right there. And no problem about the electricity. So the electricity is right there in the barangay road, and then from the barangay road going to this lot is almost 40 meters, from the barangay road going to this lot for sale. And then no problem about the right of way, because the owner of this lot is promised to negotiate the owners of that first lot, going to this second lot for sale. Okay, so no problem about also the water, because if we dig deep well here, much water, underground here. So deep well, or maybe drill. So no problem about the source of water, no problem about the electricity. Okay, so that's all for now. And again, if you like or interested this lot, just call my number 0905-92-56746 and my email at torrehasanalay@gmail.com. Okay, that's all for now. And again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. God bless. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.